Driving along the other day and heard some clunks. And immediately knew, because of experience, these 700R4 transmission mounts are garbage. Look at that, cracked all the way through. So when you're accelerating with all 170 of the 1992 horsepowers, you hear this koom, 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 because it's this transmission mount just slamming against the cross member. Good news, this is only an $8 part and it takes all of about 10 minutes to fix. First step I like to do, take that bolt out, it's a 15. Then after that bolt's out, I'm gonna put pressure on this transmission using the jack and a 4x4 on the oil pan. All right, I got that guy out and then I jacked it up just a little bit. And the only reason I did that is I just wanna take some pressure off this cross member so that when we pull these other 4 bolts out, it's not going to have any pressure on it. It'll just drop right out nice and easy. Next up, we got a 13mm bolt there and a 13mm bolt there, and that transmission mount will just pop out. Told you guys it was bad. It's important to buy the cheapest one you can get. It supports day motor or day transmissions. Look at this thing. It's real nice. That's going to last at least another 5 years. On the install here, we're gonna go real nice and gentle. Cause we got a torque wrench set to 50 foot-pounds. Give these guys a little extra. Boom. Same thing on these guys. A little bit of snuggage, then a torque wrench. 70 foot-pounds on this one.
70's kind of tight. There
boom. Oh, he's even gonna star pattern the cross member. I like his style. Well, probably shouldn't buy the cheapest part out there. So we went and bought the second cheapest part from the zone. We're gonna go ahead and just see if this one will go in right. Got everything torqued down except that middle one there. So now, moment of truth, does the Duracrap part hold up? And it does. We did 70-70, 50-50-50, 70-70, made those numbers up. That's a job well done.
Wow.